It's lunchtime. Do you know where your dad is? Well, as for me, Sandwich Dad, I'm at an unnamed grocery chain picking up a gigantic sandwich that matches the one on my shirt. They go by many names and come in many flavors. The gigantic supermarket sandwich. The one here is called Dagwood. Others are called Lumberjack, Colossal, you name it. This one's name is Lunch. It's actually been a while since I've had a Sobeys Dagwood, so why don't we have a look under the hood here. All right, we've got Swiss cheese, a couple slices of cheddar, looks like maybe some Lionel sausage or some European bologna, salami, maybe a corned beef or a pastrami, maybe corned beef I'm going to say. Looks like a piece of turkey and some ham. Underneath that, slices of onion, tomatoes, and lettuce. You can tell this is made today because the lettuce is actually still slightly crisp. A real treat when you're buying one of these. First things first, I'm not going to eat the whole thing, so I'm going to cut it in half and pick a side. And I'm going to, over the course of a couple of days, augment both sides in different ways. The first side, we're going to move all the cheese over, take all the meat off, take the tomatoes and onions, put them aside on a plate, and we'll scrape off all that lettuce as well. Looks like there's some mayo and mustard on both sides. These supermarket sandwiches, though, always too much bread on the top piece. They really got to scoop those sandwiches, otherwise it is just too much bread for a sandwich. I'm saying that as someone who really loves bread, but as someone who also really loves sandwiches, you gotta get your ratios right. I'm going to brush that top piece with some oil and vinegar. I'm going to split up the 6-tuplet of meats here, one on each side. This one will go in the divot there. I'm going to put the cheese back on the bottom side. I've got the Swiss and the cheddar there. I also have some mozzarella that I apparently put on the sandwich off camera. Okay, that is going now under the broiler for a few minutes. Toast the breads, melt the cheese. Into a bowl, we're going to add some mayonnaise, red wine vinegar, oregano, some garlic powder, and then we're going to chop up just a little bit our tomatoes and onions, scoop them into our bowl, add our lettuce. Even though the lettuce was decently fresh, I am going to add some of my own for a little bit better texture. Mix that all together. Once that's done, let's see how our toasting worked out here. Here's part 1. Ooh. And part 2. Could have taken them a little bit further, but it's lunchtime and I'm hungry, damn it. Okay, next, let's scoop on our little grinder salad we made up on the top piece here. Right in that hollowed out portion. Should fit together nicely. Bottom on, spin it around. Next, of course, we cut diagonally and reveal. There it is, augmented supermarket giant sandwich, like the one on my shirt. Available at my store. Let's get another look at that cross section. Pretty good. All right. Taste test. Here we go. What do we add to this? A little bit of extra cheese, a little bit of extra mayo, a little bit of extra lettuce, and suddenly a simple supermarket sandwich has turned spectacular. For all your sandwich content, follow Sandwich Dad. Good day.